Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here with me, then welcome back. If this is your first time here, then hi, my name is Veranda. I go by Verandahmarie on Instagram and here on YouTube. So my channel is all about cocktails and cosmetics. So we do makeup and we drink while we do it. Just let you know that it can be a fun atmosphere. Like, you can mess up, but anything, it's just makeup. It can always be fixed. It can always be touched up. It can always be done over. Like, it's okay. It's just, it's nothing is permanent when it comes to makeup or anything like that. So there's no stress of applying makeup on my channel. It's a laid back kind of environment. For you today, I created this easy look using 2 eyeshadows and just like a little bit of topper. You'll see if you keep watching, from the KOKO collection from Kylie Cosmetics. So I used a few products from the collection and a few products not from the collection. I'll stop talking right now, so make sure to just go ahead and grab a drink, and before you even get to the rest of the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload, and I will see you in the rest of the video.
Yeah, I show my ass, I show my ass, yeah. I'ma run up that sack, with Dallas, Texas on the map, yeah. Hey. That's why they mad at me. Count that sex so fantastic. Add that shit up like a mathematic. I'ma chase that shit and I'ma ask.
I'm gonna have you zoomed in a little bit, just all up in my business, so we can see so we can do the eyes. So I've been wanting to use this KOKO by Kylie Cosmetics palette lately. I've only used it like one time, as you can see. The light, sorry, it's a little bad. I don't get a lot of her products. Like, I don't buy a lot of them. I used to be like really into them, but I just kind of stopped. I don't know, I kind of fell off the lips. And then a lot of her palettes had like really cool colors in them, like cool eyeshadow colors, and I don't really normally gravitate towards those kind of colors. So I was kind of like on the fence about her products for a while. I'm going to start with priming the eyelid, and I'm going to be using the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor number 5. I just recently got that. I'm going to use this as my guide. I just like to put a little bit on the back of my hand right here and just dip in it a little bit, hoping that I didn't squeeze out too much product, because lately that's what I've been doing. So I kind of like to use this like I would use concealer. I have to concentrate, Lord Jesus. I like to, after I just kind of clean it up like I would normally do with concealer, I'll just spread this all over my brows. And sometimes I'll switch a brush and not just use this kind of flat brush. I'll just use like a flat brush, but one that's more lighter, that's not synthetic pretty much. So I'll just, it's easier with the brushes not synthetic to spread it all over the lid, because it just gets it done faster. Okay. I got it all over the place, but it's cool for now. So, kind of go a little bit heavy on there, because like I said, I'm kind of trying to fix a little bit of discoloration. So I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush, and this is from Morphe, and I'm just going to, I really want to go with this pink shade right here. Like, you can barely see, like, all of these are named like after her daughter. So I believe this shade, sometimes it be backwards, so if I'm looking right, this shade is called Always True, and that's the pink one. So if you have this palette, then you know what I'm talking about, because you cannot see the colors on camera, and I'm really sorry, but once I put it on, you should be able to pick up the color. And I'm just going to take that all in the crease, just all over the crease and kind of like down to the lid. Because this is like the same color that Chloe had on in the campaign for this collection. She had this color like, I think all over her lid, and then I think another time it was on like her inner tear duct. So if you could see that, let's change the lighting. Anywho, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that we have that little pinky shade all over the crease, I'm gonna go in with that same shade again and define it a little more. I don't really have much of a crease. I have the area, but I kind of have to make it a little bit because I have a hooded eye. So I talk about that in all my videos. So most of the time, you know what I'm always talking about. Some of us just wasn't blessed with nice deep set eyes that wants to do makeup. Just buffing out the edge over here a little bit. Go in with one other shade that I want on the lid, and that's gonna pretty much be it. Unless once I put that on there, I feel like, okay, well, I want to add a little more, like deepen it up a little more with like this, maybe this dark brown that's right here, like maybe with that color. But for now, I'm just gonna go in with this middle shade here. It looks kind of pinkish purple, so it's in the same family as the, I know this one is definitely called Always True. And I'm gonna see how it looks first without wetting it. Because I have this like topper that I want to put on my eyes, so I might not need to wet it. What you think? Can you see it? I want this to be a really, really easy look for you guys. Something you most definitely could do at home. Just like bam, 2 eyeshadow shades. Like, okay, you see I have on eyeshadow, but it's not, but it's easy. And I really want this to be like the whole look. Like, I'm gonna apply this little topper right on top, only because I think it's gonna go really well. This is from Colourpop, and it's from the brunch date collection that they had a while back. It was this year, but it's just like a little bitty a little glitter topper, and I'm just gonna apply that like right in the middle, like kind of like a halo eye. So just to make this eyeshadow look pop just a little bit more, I'm just gonna apply that right in the middle and just up to the crease. And just kind of blend that with my finger. Not even a brush. Because as you can see, like, look at that. It makes it look like wet. Like, that's just what that goes to from that. I think Kylie has some of these, to be honest. I don't know what they're called. I forget what they're called. But I know she definitely has, like, the, like, wet glitter. It kind of reminds you of, like, Dazzle Shadow or something from MAC, or the Stila little glitter thingies, but just not as pricey, because you know Colourpop is very pocket friendly. So I think they did like just the trick. It's like pretty. I don't know if I should go in with a little more pink. I'm just gonna try it with the more defining brush and just apply a little bit more pink right on top. Just to make sure we can see that. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep some of that up under the eye a little bit right now. I always still go back over it after I do my foundation, but I'm still gonna just go ahead and do it right now. So, like, look at that. That just doesn't look like it's just doing anything for, like, my eyes. I'm already dark under the eyes, so it just doesn't show up really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that dark color right here, and that one is called True Meaning. All the names like has True's name in there. It's cute. And I'm just gonna take that right in the outer corner of the eye. I lied, I'm gonna take it all the way around. Yeah, I just want something dark under there. I can't do it. Can't do it, can't do it, can't do it. I tried. I'll sweep it up into my outer corner just a little bit, just to kind of connect it, but I can't just do it like by itself. I tried, but it just don't look right on me. People with like lighter skin complexions, like it looks right on them. But for me, I always need a dark shade at the bottom. Always. Just gonna blend that out a little bit. This makes a difference. It'll all come together in a minute. You'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, and I'm gonna apply the lashes off camera. These are my Lily lashes that I've already worn. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. This is what I created right off the top of the dome. I think it turned out really, really cute. I really wasn't knowing what to expect going in with this palette, because it's still, to me, I mean, it has a lot of cool colors that just don't always show up on us brown skin girls, but I think overall it came out really cute, and I think adding that topper did like just enough. So if you like this look, I think it's really easy for you guys to recreate, to be able to do on your own at home, just when you want to wear makeup and still not have to do the most, trying to cut a crease and do all of that extra stuff. Like, I think it's just enough to go out to brunch, add a little bit of that dark brown, deepen it up if you want to make it to the club later on, to a bar. I think overall I do like this palette. I'm happy with my purchase. No buyer's remorse this time, for now. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Come back and see me. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate every single click that you guys that y'all click on my videos, or anytime you check out me on Instagram. My Instagram, my Snapchat, it's all the same, Verandahmarie. Make sure to follow me on all social medias, and then I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching Cocktails and Cosmetics. I gleeked. I think it turned out cute. Damn it. Where's my brush? Ooh. Ooh. Did y'all hear that? Excuse me, that's so unladylike.